Hello everyone, in this lecture I am going to explain you about robot return to origin. Here in this question they given there is a robot starting at position 0, 0, the origin on a 2D plane given a sequence of its moves. Just if this robot ends up at 0, 0, after it completes its moves, the move sequence is represented by a string and the character moves of I represent its ith move. Valid moves are right, left, up and down. If the robot returns to the origin after it finishes all its moves, return true, otherwise it should return false. Here in this note they given the way that the robot is facing is irrelevant. R will always make the robot move to the right ones. L will always make it move left, etc. Also assume that the magnitude of the robot's movement is the same for each move. So here in this example 1, they given input moves equal to up, down. So here we need to find if the robot is starting from the axis 0, 0, first it will move up. And again they given down. So what will happen? The robot will comes to the same position where it started. In that case, it should return true. Else, if the robot, here in this moves they given L, left, left. So here if this robot is start from here, it will go left and again go left. Means it will not return to the same position where it is started. So it is returning false statement. For this we need to write the logic. First I will create two variables, int x equal to 0 and y equal to 0, and I will mention in for loop for character name I am mentioning for character move string names moves dot to character array. Okay, so in this for loop, here what is happening in this for loop? What are the elements which are present in this character name that is converted into the, means what is there in this string that is converted to character array. So here in this I will mention if mode is equal to up, then y decrement, else if move is equal to down, then it should return, not return, then y increment, else if move equal to left, then x decrement, else if move equal to right, then x increment. Okay, and here return x equal to 0 and y equal to 0. Now I will run the code. We'll check it is accepted or not. Yeah, accepted. Now I will submit this code. Yeah, success. So here what I mentioned in this logic, here I just created two variables. Here I just converted that string to character array, and again I compare with if else statement. If it is equal to u, then y decrement. If it is equal to d, then y increment. Like that I applied some logic. So here if x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0, in that case it will return true. If it is not equal to 0 of any of these two, then it will return false. This is the logic behind it. If you have any queries, you can mention your doubts in commentary section. And please do like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.